How to make a stylish border in Blender. Shift+A. Select cylinder. Make it 10 vertices. Ctrl+R. Make 2 loop cuts. Scale out. Select the vertices in a checker pattern. Shift+D. Move it up. Scale it up. S+Z. Scale it up. I to inset. Scale down. Select the edges. Move them up. Move the middle edges up. Select the top face. I to inset. Scale down. Move it down. Select the edges in a checker pattern. Shade smooth. Auto smooth. Shade smooth. Auto smooth. S+Z. Select the middle faces. P and select selection. Thanks for watching.